When they walk back, they sing through the forest.
Wait. Did you see that amazing bird just now? Do you know what kind it was? That's right. It was a dazzling bird of paradise called Paradisaea Apoda. So now, come on, let's dive into the world of this fabulous bird of paradise together with me, Lolita. Cendrawasih, or commonly known as the bird of paradise, is one of the most magnificent birds found in eastern Indonesia, New Guinea, and eastern Australia. Its beautiful plumage amazes everyone who sees it. There are around 45 species of bird of paradise divided into 17 genera. One of them is the great yellow bird of paradise, known as Paradisaea Apoda, which lives in forests from sea level to mid-mountain areas. Paradisaea apoda is a large bird about 43 centimeters long with a maroon and yellow-brown crown. Male Paradisaea apoda usually have longer and larger tails than females. They also have different types of bills, which can be long and curved or small and slim depending on their sex. Paradisaea apoda is an omnivore. Its diet mainly consists of fruits and small amounts of nectar. But it also eats small arthropods such as bugs, crickets, spiders, centipedes, and other insects. Male Paradisaea apoda has more stunning and colorful plumage than the female. Their feathers display a wide range of colors, including black, red, yellow, and purple. These vibrant colors help them attract females during mating season. Males also perform elaborate courtship dances to impress potential mates. Due to their unique and stunning appearance, birds of paradise have been hunted for centuries. Their plumage is often used for women's fashion accessories, decorations, and even believed to have mystical powers. Currently, birds of paradise are endangered due to excessive hunting and habitat loss. Despite conservation efforts, illegal trade and poaching continue, threatening the survival of these magnificent birds. Alright, those were the facts and information about Paradisaea apoda. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.